If you are a heavy user of DynamoDB, which is a NoSQL managed service from AWS, then you might like this tool, Deez, which is an open source tool to abstract for implementing single table design easily and very efficiently in DynamoDB. This tool, Deez, is inspired from ElectroDB. ElectroDB is a DynamoDB library to ease the use of having multiple entities and complex hierarchical relationships in a single DynamoDB table. I will also be doing another video on ElectroDB, so stay tuned for it. But for now, let's have a quick look at this Deez one. These primarily is a Rust enabled library. All it does is it defines the schema for your entities using the Deez procedural macro, as you can see on your screen. And then when you do that, it derives the from conversion traits for your structs, and then it maps the hash map and attribute value type used by the AWS SDK library. And then you can simply embed it in your code, and there you go. So if you're a Rust developer working heavily with DynamoDB, I would highly suggest including this library in your repertoire. I hope that you liked it, and I will also drop the link to this very fantastic repo in video's description, so you can play around and just simply copy paste the code and embed it in your video. If you have liked the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.